Smarter marketing. Stronger results.
Back at the hub, I can either click resume your last campaign, or I can view this active campaign. Let's get up when you resume the last campaign. Now it takes me to the next step. You see how it automatically, once you've created an asset or saved an asset, it doesn't mean you can't go back and create another asset for the same campaign. But once you've created at least one, it takes you and leads you down to the next step. And this next step is turning your listing into social content. So let's go ahead and start the next step. And again, I can either write it manually, or I can use AI Assist to write it for me. Let's go ahead and try AI Assist. So it's going to lead you right through first of all, it's going to lead you right through the steps. And let's title the post luxury open house. And that's just for your particular purposes. So we want to promote a listing, open a house. So let's click on open house. The tone, we'll say luxury. Target audience is luxury buyers. Let's say the goal is to schedule a tool. Location market is, let's say, Granite Bay, California. And where it says the description, I am essentially just going to type in, write a post about an open house with the following description. And I just took the description that I used already for this house and put it in there. And I'm clicking Facebook. So if I just want a Facebook post, I would just click Facebook. If I want a LinkedIn, and let's just do those three. So I'm going to add sources. And under sources, I can add in text like I added before. I can provide a URL, a YouTube video, anything in social media like a post in Facebook, any notes, any documents that I want to upload, or an image that I wanted to interpolate. And so first of all, I'm going to add a URL, and it's the URL of the listing site that we created with the same information. And then I'm going to add text. I'll just have that same text that I just added previously. Okay. And if I had a video, so it'll take all of these sources and it'll create posts for me. So let's just say generate posts. Let's just wait for that. Boom, and that's done. So tell me what the source summary was, basically what it pulled from. Let's add an image. So let's click here. And let's go ahead, and I think this is the image that we did. Let us go ahead and let's just go back to upload. And let's pick a different, okay, I like this image. Let's go ahead and pick that same image, even though we had already had it uploaded. Click on it, click on use image. And now that image is here, I can change the image. And you see what it did? It optimized it for every platform. It optimized it for an Instagram post, optimized the image for an Instagram story, a Facebook post, LinkedIn post, Twitter post, and a Pinterest pin. That's amazing. So now I've got all the photos I need for any of those platforms. I have the body of the text. It gives me the call to action that I can use for the post. It gives me the hashtags that I can use. If I click on Instagram, again, it gives me the same information, the body, the caption, the CTA, the hash bar, and all I have to do is just copy and paste into my social media, already done for me. That is fabulous. And if you read down, the AI actually acts as your social media posting coach. So it tells you for what we're doing here, what the best time to post. Thursday, 4 to 6 p.m. local for initial awareness. Saturday, 8:30 to 10 a.m. local as a same day reminder. Luxury buyers tend to plan weekend routes. Thursday to Friday and check feeds again before heading out. Ad potential works well as paid for awareness and event traffic because the hook is specific. Saturday, blah, 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 blah. The expected performance of the ad, organic versus boosted. It gives you an idea on whether or not to just let it roll or to boost it. Audience targeting. It actually tells you if you're actually running an ad. It's actually giving you who to target in Facebook. That is unbelievable. The CTA advice: keep the CTA singular and low friction. Schedule a private tour as the primary ask, and so on and so forth. And then I just click next, deliver, and we're done. I can download everything here as a contact pack. So if I click on download, it'll download all the photos, all the posts and the captions and stuff. Or I can download the images all at once. So I can download the pack, I can download the images, I can copy the full post, meaning I go one by one and then copy the full post caption and CTA and hashtags and just go ahead and take that to my social media. I can copy each particular section one by one. So you have a lot of options here. And at some point down the road, we're going, the next upgrades is going to be to make this automatic. So it'll automatically go to those particular social media sites. But right now, this is simple enough. It took you minutes to do this to all the different platforms that you want to, just like that. Thank you for watching.
One platform, one login, unlimited growth. Everything you need to market, automate, and grow your real estate business. RESmartAgent AI. Smarter marketing, stronger results.